screen down. This defines the calendar. If I go to factory calendar here, I'm directly taking this factory calendar and click on this change icon. ನೋಡಿ Z1 ಯಾಕೆ ಕೊಟ್ವಿ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ. I was just explaining how Z1 was considered. Control F ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, Z1 ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. You can just double click on this. You can see Monday to Friday working days, Saturday, Sunday and public holidays holiday. ಅದು meaning of Z1. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ?
Okay, sir.
Okay, so we'll proceed. Again, coming back to the units that we have created, company code and plant.
Sir, hello. Sir.
Yes, probably.
Sir, Z1 cannot be given to every company because it has a different company origin state, no?
That depends on origin state. See, public holidays are defined, and based on that, factory calendars are also defined. Now, who decides these things? HR, region, that particular region, and also those who are. As of now, this is not your job to create a plant also. Okay, logistics, they are going to take care of it. This is the information given to you. Why am I taking Z1? Anyways, in real time, this is discussed among the higher managements. What all are general public holidays to be considered in the factory calendar? Along with that, they will be having certain policies, like every month they may be giving 1 or 2 CLs, then earned leaves. All these things are in consideration with HR team as well. We can't directly say that directly. Okay, based on these things, the calendar is decided. As of now, we are taking Z1. Got it, Prabhajan?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Next, to define, just write down to define storage location and purchasing organization. Storage location, purchasing organization, path, SPRO, IMG, enterprise structure, definition. Under definition, now guys, those who are here, materials management, this is your core job. Materials management, storage location, purchasing organization, both are under materials management. Make a note. Maintain storage location, maintain purchasing organization. None from or recording. Let me once have written. Noted?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Proceed. Maintain storage location. Maintain storage location. Once I enter maintain storage location, refer back to the definition given to you. I have told storage locations are created at plant level. And the definitions given to you, you can just look into. Storage location created at plant level. It's a factory where we function, that is the plant, and storage location is created at plant level. So it is immediately asking me for which plant am I supposed to create the storage location. What is the work area? So I should do plant first in order to proceed with creating storage location. ISBPC plant. ISBP plant. Click on tick mark. You can see OX09 tick code. Tick code OX09. Proceed. Again, what should I do? New entries.
New entries.
That's correct. So I'll call this
Storage
as
location.
IBSL. The convention that I am following is IS remains as part of company code. BP is Bangalore plant. SL is storage location. B here again plant. I refers to company code. IBSL. I am following this convention so that I can remember. I can recollect. That's the reason I am following this convention. You can give any name, but you have to make a list of what is that you are defining, creating, that you should remember. So ISBP STR LOC. I'll just give this. Field restrictions.
Sir, this location and every company code and all has been registered already, na? So how can we
See,
create
company
by
company
phone?
code company code is registered. All units we should gather information from client.
Okay.
Anything that we are defining, given a comma or full stop, in consultation with client's requirement. Here I am taking for illustration purpose.
Okay.
All
So
these
that is
available in business blueprint, sir.
what.
All this information available in business blueprint.
Yeah, we in the blueprint we are going to get this done first.
Okay.
We are going to start working on the system.
Okay.
Okay, here for time being, I'm giving the nomenclature because we have to decide on something and create. Or else, what happens is, without having enterprise structure, I will not be able to proceed with any document. Any document creation cannot be done. So I should create this first. I should have an enterprise and unit. That is the reason we are doing this first. I hope you all are clear with your roles. Company code, finance, plant, logistics. Now what we are doing is MM part. Please be very
Yes,
clear
sir.
with your role in enterprise creation. Yes, I'll enter this and save it. After saving this, please select this row. To select the row, just click on the left of this ISBL on the row, and here you have addresses of storage locations. Double click on this. You can observe here you have plant addresses of storage location. Just double click on this. You can see now plant, and below that you have the storage location appearing. There can be more than one storage location, one plant. As of now, I am doing it one so that you are very clear with one, and it is not leading to any sort of confusion later for you. Once you become confident, you can create more plants, more storage locations under the same. Again, new entries. I'll enter it as one. First storage location number one. Again, address for this. I'll retain the same name, IBSL, which for me means ISBP storage location. ISBP storage location. I'll just
What will
give
be the
these two.
title of company, sir?
See, what can you have for storage location as title? It's not required. Mr. Mrs. Enterprises, MRS, you could see that would be for company code. Rest we need not have to have this title. It's not required for all. If you wish a certain salutation, you can just give like this. Done. Shall I proceed?
Yes, sir.
So this is done. Come back. After storage location, next one is purchasing organization. You can again write down to define purchasing organization. Step to define purchasing organization. Path, SPRO, IMG, enterprise structure definition, materials management. Till then it remains same. Under materials management, maintain purchasing organization. Maintain purchasing organization. I'll click on this. Maintain purchasing organization. So what should I do again?
New entries.
New entries, that's correct. Click on new entries, right on. Click on new entries. And this goes in a sequence when it comes to code and 10, storage location 9, purchasing organization 8. So what I do is I'll come back and again take it as T code. 808. Again I am on the same screen. New entries. purchasing organization, I'll call this as ISPO. ISPL PUR.org. ISPL PUR.org. I'll save it. Have noted? I proceed. Shall I proceed? Still writing? All right. So this purchasing organization. So we have created company, company code, plant, storage location, purchasing organization. All we have defined, but we have to assign them to each other. Next, subtopic under enterprise structure, assignment. Make a note.
Sir, purchasing
Assignment.
group.
That we'll do it later, Shalika. We have certain other things.
Okay,
I'll
sir.
just complete this part as it's a common topic that I've selected. Later on, we have something else with company code also, purchase group also, that will take up later.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now, under SPRO IMG, you can see enterprise structure. You have these two under enterprise structure. One is definition, other is assignment. So to define, we have all same titles, and assign also we have same titles. You can observe financial accounting here also, controlling, logistics, general, all same. So what we do here, we are going to define, maintain, define. You can observe that. Under assignment, it is all assign. So whatever we have created, we need to interlink with each other. So now it is assignment. It will be same headings, but under assignment. You can make a note first. Assign company code to company. To assign company code to company. To assign company code to company. Note down the path. SPRO IMG enterprise structure. SPRO IMG enterprise structure. Under enterprise structure assignment. Under assignment financial accounting. Under assignment financial accounting. Under that assign company code to company. Assign company code to company. So I'll click on this. Now you can observe there is no new entries option here. The reason is I have told you this, one company can have multiple company codes, but one company code cannot be assigned to more than one company. You can write down the relation between company to company code. Relation between company and company code is one to many. One to many. Relation between company to company code is one to many. Noted?
Yes, sir.
Just observe the screen. This is the list of company codes. Here company. For example, you have certain companies like 1000, 6, 7, etc. So I can assign 6 here also. Meaning to say, for these two company codes, I can assign 6 as company. But I don't have an option to assign one more company for same company code. This is the meaning company to company code one to many. Got it? Can you infer that from the screen? All of you?
Yes, sir.
Shambhu, Naveen,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
particularly finance related.
Yes, sir.
ಒಂದು ಕಂಪನಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಕಂಪನಿ ಕೋಡ್ಸ್ ಇರಬಹುದು, ಆದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಕಂಪನಿ ಕೋಡ್ ಒಂದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಕಂಪನೀಸ್ಗೆ ಅಸೈನ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ.
ಹೌದು ಸರ್. ಓಕೆ ಸರ್.
ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತದಲ್ಲ?
ಓಕೆ ಸರ್.
Okay. So in our case, click on position first. In order to find, I'll just remove this, creating an issue. Click on position. What's our company code? ISPL. You should remember these things, whatever we have created. ISPL is our company code. Click on tick mark. ISPL. What's our company? ISIPL. ISIPL. I have assigned company code. Enter. Save it. The first step is done. We have defined company code. We assigned it to each other. That's over. Next, write down to assign plant to company code. To assign plant to company code. Write down the path. SPRO IMG enterprise structure. SPRO IMG enterprise structure assignment. SPRO IMG enterprise structure assignment. Under assignment, logistics general. Logistics general. Under logistics general, assign plant to company code. Assign plant to company code. Noted?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I'll proceed. Assign plant to company code. You can refer to the T codes, you'll have it in the screen. You click on new entries. Click on new entries. Company code ISPL. Plant ISPP. Now observe, I can only make entries in company code and plant. Rest of the fields are freezed. I am not able to enter anything. Reason is, whatever I have created from the same, the data will be recalled from the tables and it will reflect here. If I have created it properly, I'll get the reflection of the name of plant and company immediately once I enter. Company code and plant. Observe this. So we have got plant name and company, whatever we had defined, it's appearing. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, plant company code. Hello. Sir,
Yes.
sir, back to that chat. Sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Company code is ISPL and plant is ISBP. And the name is given here ISBL Bangalore plant.
Yes.
So ISBP is different is coming, no plant here.
Plant is ISBP. The expansion of that is name. ISPL Bangalore plant. That's how I have named it. If you go back to plant creation, the name of the plant I have given it as ISPL Bangalore plant. That is the thing that I retained in the address also, right? You can just refer the video. That's
Okay.
what I have given as a name.
Yeah. Okay.
Right?
Yes, sir.
All right. Next, write down next subheading as assign purchasing organization to company code. Path SPRO IMG enterprise structure assignment materials management. Noted?
Yes, sir.
Proceed. Assign purchasing organization to company code. Observe this wherever you have company code, finance interaction along with those units. We can observe purchasing and company code. Finance. Okay, begin with this. Purchasing organization to company code. Again here, click on position, find the purchasing organization, ISPO, that's what I created. I follow this convention so that I remember PO purchasing organization. So you can have it written on a particular sheet of paper or your notebook, whatever you would like to create as company code and plant storage location other units. You can name all and you can start creating. While creating, if you see any overlap, change it there so that system will accept and write down whatever changes you have made so that it's clear. Because the server, no, this will be used by others also. What happens if you take again ISPL or ISPO, then system will say it is already existing. You should give a different name. Hope you got it. Okay, don't try with same name. What is our company code? ISPL. You can observe here company code does not exist status as long as it is not entered. Once I enter this, company name will appear here and that will disappear. I click on enter. So wherever you have like this purchasing organization to company code, now it is one-to-one relationship. It's not one-to-many. It's one-to-one purchasing organization to company code. But one company code can have multiple purchasing organizations. I can as well enter ISPL for ITCA also. This is for finance people not to worry much about this. Probably you are getting this. Company code to purchasing organization one-to-many. Company code to purchasing organization one-to-many. You noted?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So the last one, to assign purchasing organization to plant. To assign purchasing organization to plant. Again, write down the path. SPROIMG, SPROIMG, enterprise structure, SPROIMG, enterprise structure, assignment, materials management, assign purchasing organization to plant. Assign purchasing organization to plant. So I'll click on this purchasing organization to plant. New entries. Purchasing organization ISPO plant ISBP. Purchasing organization plant. Enter. Noted.
Yes, sir.
See. So we have created and assigned. You have to see the structure, all this. I made you to notice when creating company code a screen, organization structure screen. Under definition, when we no need to write, I'm just giving this information again. When we did this edit, copy, delete, check company code, copy, delete, check company code, I made you to notice this screen. The code is EC01. You can write down directly. Observe organizational object or to observe organizational structure. T code EC01. T code EC01. Click on structure, navigation, click on tick mark, structure, navigation, further tick mark. So this gives a list of all company codes existing in the system. Either I can use this binocular or search icon or control F. So it will work. ISPL is my company code and ISPL. Number of hits 1, meaning to say there is one matching for what you are searching. Click on that. It will take me to that particular line. Double click on this. Now I can see ISPL is company code, ISIPL is company. It's linked to company code ISPL, and I have this plant linked to this particular company code, and also Under the plant, I can see IBSL, the storage location. This is linked to company code ISPL, and plant is assigned to purchasing organization ISPO. Expand this further, purchasing organization is assigned to company code also, plant also. I can see that. And under purchasing organization, again I can see plant company code, and under plant again storage location. So if you get this flow, if you get this information from EC01, then yes, your job is done. You have created the enterprise structure. Then using these units, we can proceed further. What next to be done? So among this, I repeat again, company code is finance job and logistics general. Purchasing organization, storage location, whatever you are seeing further, that is part of MM. So hope this is clear.
Yes, sir.
Fine then. I don't know whether you had your dinner or not, all of you. Yeah, we'll conclude it here for today. I want you to practice this. If you want, you can take a day's time or 2 days. Let us see. For that, let me know once you are done with this. How many of you have got access? I don't know. Particularly
Uh,
MM. Please try to get it and try to complete this exercise. We'll meet in the next sessions. I'll be updating about timings to the schedule in the group.
Thank you,
Okay,
sir.
sir.
Okay, thank you, sir.